Hello and welcome back to Bullet Journaling for Beginners with me, Melissa. I have a haul video, a journaling haul video. Yay! Inks and clips and stickers and pens and a book and I can't say enough. So look at this. Ranger, $1.99. I got it at this place called Tuesday Morning. It's basically like a not really a consignment shop, but like these are probably long discontinued. Um, I haven't seen the dye ink pads in Michael's. You can find the Ranger brand, but I got a teal, a green, a black, a gray, and a red. $1.99 each, normally $5. So I went from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 to $10. So 15 off. Not that bad. And I couldn't find any transfer sticker or transfer thingies, so letter stickers work too. It's that Create 365 that I have the other pad with. This one was only $9.99, normally $20. God, I hope that's not what I paid for the other one. But just letters. Oodles and oodles of fun, different colored letters, different sizes, different shapes, different typefaces. I shouldn't say shapes, it's different typefaces. Different colors, gold. So this should be so much fun. And it looks like there's enough of each letter that I can do a couple words in each typeface. So that's really good. Especially with the words where you got double S's or just double letters in general, like the E's. There seems to be a good amount of E's. There's very few B's, C's, or D's. That's really weird. I wonder if they're all like that. Yeah, looks like it. Oh, this one only has one C. How sad. You're only allowed to do one C letter? Or one C word? So the various amounts, some have a good amount, some don't. So, but that'll be fun, right? Keep me from doing my really bad. And this will definitely help because I'm going to record another video directly after this, so stay tuned. About some more pages that I did, and I had such a shaky hand this morning that it's horrible. So having this really helpful. I got these cute little clip flags. Aren't those adorable? You could write on them. I'm not planning on it. Really, these might just clip in to my daily thing, and then we'll see. I may use it on my calendar book instead of my journal book. Just because I like to, once I go through the weeks, I like to clip them together so I'm not flipping through a week that's already gone past and then confusing myself what day it is. So I may use them just for that. But this was pretty good. I got this at Office Depot. I thought they were cute. I was waiting on a print job. My printer broke, so I was waiting on a print job to sign my daughter up for kindergarten. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna look around. And of course, I found something. And this I also got from Office Depot. I really am a ink joy girl. I really am. However, do you see that millimeter right there? That's ultra micro. That's a 0.38. The smallest pen I've ever seen is 0.5. And that's what my ink joys are. They're 0.5. So, and that's a fairly fine tip right there, right? let's see how these, let's see. Who doesn't like getting fun stuff for their journals? And look at the color. Look, there's a yellowish color. You don't see that very often. Sorry, the sun is really bright. It's still reflecting off. I got like 5.5 inches of snow. If you don't watch my coloring videos, then you obviously won't know this. We got 5.5 inches of snow the other day. And then, so it's still lingering, but it's like 50 degrees outside and it's all melting and it's awesome. So that is a really small tip. That is super fine. Super fine. Look at that. That is so, let's see. Let me get a blue. Let's keep it in the family. Not so fine. So you see a 0.5 to a 0.38. They're not scratchy. This one isn't scratchy. I mean, you're not going to want to press down. Man, you guys can't really see that, can you? Hold on. Here we go. Let's mess with this exposure here. Here we go. It was just pulling in way too much light. So you're not going to want to like bear down on it. But let's zoom in here. But I mean, it flows really nice. I mean, that's barely any pressure whatsoever. So that was the dark blue. Let's look at the purple. That's a nice purple. And I didn't even like squiggle it to get it started. There's a little jump. So pink. These are starting right away. It's very nice. Pretty pink. Let's see, light blue. Pretty, pretty. So it's like a tealy green. Yeah. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. It's a greeny color. Oh, this yellow. That is a very nice yellow. It's not a highlighter yellow. Like that is something you could write with and you could absolutely see it. Which is really nice and you don't find that very often. See, what were these? These were Uniballs. Uniball Signo. Gotta love it. I got a white one. That I use for, you can see I use it. I use for like coloring pictures. Sometimes. I switch between it and a jelly roll, but orange. And despite the outside, it's not actually a neon orange. It's just straight orange. And a red. There we go. I'm going to really like these, I think. They're really nice. They're super fine point. I paid $10 at Office Depot. I think they were on sale too. I like the colors. The colors are very pretty. And I'm dying for this fine point. This fine point is awesome. Because when you do the journaling, you know, you don't want to take up the whole box sometimes. And so these will be really good when I want to write, but I don't want to mush in, like I want to keep writing line after line instead of skipping. I won't feel like my words are mushing together. They will be able to be separated enough, and I think that will be really cool. And who knows, maybe I'll use them for fine detail in my colorings too. So that's that. That's those. And this, I got at Kroger. Let me zoom back out here. This I got at Kroger. Oh, I'm terrible at names. I think her name is Michelle from Journaling for Fun. Oh, Lord, I'm going to feel so horrible if it's not that. That's not her. Michelle. I was right. Michelle gave me this gorgeous idea. Because in my journal, I was writing out, the names of a recipe that I want to do for my meal planning. I'm like, well, do I write the recipe in my journal? Do I have a separate, like, what do I do with it? Right now they're just on cards. I think I got one on the back, so I don't want to waste so much paper. But so right now they're in this. She said, why don't you get a separate journal, number the pages, and do a page reference in your meal planner, so you can reference the pages in your recipe book. And I thought that was absolutely brilliant. Utterly, utterly brilliant. So I found this at Kroger, and isn't this cute? Just lined paper, and it has a title box, right? So what I was going to do is I was going to take 2 pages basically and do them as the reference. So I write down what's on what page. Table of contents. I couldn't think there for a second. So I'm going to take 2 pages and do a table of contents, and I was just going to, write down. This has got a ton of pages. They're color-coded, so if you wanted to do orange for dessert and blue for sides and green for main dishes and breakfast is pink, whatever. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to throw them in because I hate doing that. Because I'm not a breakfast person. I don't have any breakfast recipes. 140 sheets, college ruled. It's a 8.5 by 6.5. Or for those of you not on the silly US system, 21 centimeters by 16.5 centimeters. So that's pretty cool. It's a thick book. It's pretty thick. Oh no, I didn't see that. Oh, for shame. Okay, well, oh no, it looks like the pages are perforated too. That looks like it was just a printing manufacturing error. That's fine. So I have 139 pages. And it looks like it's perforated. So, and then what I plan to do is I have those stickers that say, not stickers, I have a stamp. Where is it? So I have a stamp, so on my recipes, I can stamp it kid approved if they like it. So, I think that would be fun. So then what I'm going to do is put all my recipes in here, reference them over to my meal planner, because I'm kind of a seat of my pants cooker. Like, I reference a recipe and I'll look at it and I'll look at the ingredients and go, yeah, okay, but I don't like this pasta. I'm going to try a different pasta. Or, my kid doesn't like oregano. I'm going to switch that out for basil or, whatever. I'm one of those people. I will never, ever measure anything out. I'm going to let you know that right now. I put the measurements down in case somebody else wants the recipe, but I don't measure. It's a pinch of this, a dash of that, and sprinkle it until it tastes good. I make them my own, but I do like recipes to reference, so I get an idea of what the flavor profile is supposed to be. So that's what I'm doing. But for those of you that go by the recipe, this would be pretty awesome. So then you take your meal plan. Nope. Let me get to my meal plan. You get your meal plan, you do out your meals, you do out what you need to buy that you don't already have in your pantry or in your fridge. And then you're good to go. This is 2 weeks. I have 2 weeks worth of food right here, ready to go. I don't have to think, I don't have to worry, I don't have to do anything. And then I will take and right under it, I will write page, blah, blah, blah. And I'll know to go to my recipe book. So that's my plan. So anyway, enough about that. I'll reference that some more in the other video. But that was it. That was my haul. I got some Ranger inks, yay! Some pens, some stickers or a book, some flaggies, yay! And all of this was 20 bucks. 20 bucks. I got all of this. And when I put individual things into my cart in Amazon, I was looking at over $40. So I saved by half. Always awesome. So thank you for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe. I do both things on my channel. So if you like the bullet journaling, just look for the little BuJu tag on the videos, or the special. I've done a plate so you can see a visual of the BuJu for beginners. If you like coloring, feel free to stay by and check out some of my coloring chats. I usually do live streams on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's looking like it's around 1 o'clock is when I'm starting to do it, 1 p.m. Eastern time. So thank you. Stick around. I will be doing another video after this. Bye-bye.